Hello and welcome. Today, let's talk about Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Why is Python so famous? Because it's simple, powerful, and incredibly versatile. Python's syntax is very close to English, which makes it easy to learn, especially for beginners. For example, if you want to print "Hello World," you just write one line of code. With Python, you can quickly grasp the basics like variables, loops, and functions without feeling overwhelmed. But Python doesn't stop at basics. It has thousands of libraries and frameworks that allow it to be used in almost every industry. In data science, you can use pandas and NumPy to analyze big datasets. In artificial intelligence and machine learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch make building smart models possible. Web developers use Django and Flask to create interactive websites, while automation experts rely on Python to build bots that handle repetitive tasks. From Netflix recommendations to Google's search engine and even NASA's space technology, Python plays a huge role in shaping the tools we use every day. It's not just a beginner's language, it's a career-building language. So whether you're just starting your coding journey or aiming to move into advanced fields like AI, Python is the perfect foundation to build upon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more insights.